This is our home. Walk in. Stairs to go upstairs. There's a dad.
What's wrong?
Big tub. Sink. Big shower. Toilet. Big bed. It's mom and dad's room. Living room. Big. Got a dining room. There's a little porch out there. Breakfast bar. Full kitchen. Another full bathroom. Nice big, really big shower. The mom. Upstairs. Oh man. Upstairs. To the right, washer and dryer. Bathroom. Toilet. Tub shower. Laundry area. There's just a closet in here. Sink. Two big beds. Lots of light. There's a desk. Every room has a TV. This overlooks the living room. I like the little Mickey ears and the details. Could also enter from upstairs, but we never did. A lot of little coat hooks. And there's another bedroom. This is my room. Closet. Came with a pack and play if you have babies. Regular bathroom in here. Tub shower. Toilet. Sink. Hello. I set my bag on that thingy. Another hook thingy. Lisa slept in here. I slept over there. I like that there was a ceiling fan. TV. Table and chairs. Nice big windows. Overlooks the big lake. And you can see there's a big bridge. If we walk over that bridge, it takes us to the main desk area. We have a pool right next to our building. You go across that bridge and there's another big pool too. And that pretty much concludes the walking tour of our enormous villa at Saratoga Springs at Disney World. Dad, wave.